Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. Hope everybody's having a good day. So for today's video, I'll be actually installing my spoiler. So the spoiler I have is the carbon fiber. So as you can see, I actually polished it before. It was like slightly faded. I mean, it wasn't too much, but I just wanted to kind of like restore it. And on the back of the spoiler, I replaced the 3M tape with a brand new one. So as you can see, this is a double-sided 3M tape. There's no screws to the spoiler. My car originally didn't come with any OEM spoiler, so on the trunk there's usually like some pre-drilled holes already with the OEM spoiler. So mine does not have that because it never came with the OEM Sport spoiler, but that doesn't really matter because anyways I was gonna change it with a different spoiler, which is this right here. This is overall my favorite one. I used to have like a Save-On spoiler. The Save-On spoiler was like more like smaller. It used to hug around this area, so it was a really small spoiler. I can show you guys a quick picture of how that used to look on my car. So before I start installing the spoiler, I'm gonna just do a quick walk around. And I also want to give out a big shout out to you guys for helping me get to 100 subscribers. I really appreciate it, and those who have watched me the whole way out from the very first video all the way to the whole wrapping process. So after the whole wrapping process, as you can see, my most recent one was the front lip installation. So again, it's pretty much right here. Really nice, I like it a lot, but I'm really hoping you guys are enjoying the whole videos. I know some of my videos can be kind of long, but you know, I'm just trying to be as informative as possible. But again, thank you guys for subscribing and liking my videos. If you're new to the channel, don't forget to subscribe, comment, and like. So I'm gonna go ahead and just do a slow walk around without the spoiler, just to show you guys the difference between not having a spoiler and versus the carbon fiber spoiler on it. So now I'm just gonna do a quick little mock-up on the trunk just to show you guys how it'll be placed before I remove all the 3M tape and all. So again, you just wanna, if you have this specific spoiler, you just wanna like, you know, kind of have like this both sides evened out around the trunk. And so I'm not sure if you guys can see that, but that's how it's gonna look. So it's gonna be a nice clean straight line, no spacing really at all, because the 3M tape is gonna hold it really well. And again, just check up your sides, make sure it's all evened. And before installing this spoiler, you just want to do a little quick wipe on the trunk, and that's about it. All right, so before placing the spoiler to the trunk and removing the whole plastic tape off from the 3M tape, what I like to do is actually just have like a little bit removed and have it to the side. Just because if you remove the whole plastic thing from the 3M tape and you place it on the trunk, it can be kind of hard, especially if you don't have it in the right place, and it's just going to be tedious just to try to like pull it out from the trunk and then move it to the right position at where you want it. So with having it just like peeled off from this angle, just so enough, like, you know, I at least have something to pull once I have it on the right position on the trunk. I at least have like this to just pull. So by that, I'm just gonna show you guys what exactly I mean by that. So just gonna place it right here, so pretending that I have it on the right position, right? So as you can see, I'm just gonna have like a red, basically tape around here, the areas where I basically left off. And so I'm just gonna, you know, pull it at the direction where the 3M tape is going. Same thing with here, the back side of it, and then yep, that's all. All right, so now it's time to place at the position I want it. Just want to make sure again it's aligned nicely, evened out with the other side. So that looks pretty straight right there. good. So this it's really up to your choice. If you have this spoiler and you exactly want to know how much difference there is, you can use a measuring tape, but I'm just gonna eyeball it and just do it by how it looks. Really not really gonna focus on like how much distance there really is between that. So it looks like that's in the position that I wanted. So yeah, looks good right there. So I'm just gonna go ahead and start from one side and then finish it off from the other side. Alright, so now that I have the spoiler installed, remove the plastic piece from the 3M tape, I'm just gonna give a quick little wipe. So again, I did actually polish my spoiler, so it does look a lot more shinier. Definitely is glistening more. And there you have it, it's installed, and the process of this is really easy. I think the only hardest part is just placing the double-sided 3M tape onto the spoiler, just because you want to make sure that you put it on the right place of the spoiler, and so that it actually sticks to the shrunk. So if it doesn't stick to the shrunk, then there's gonna be like parts where it's gonna just feel loose and the 3M tape is not actually taped to the trunk. So at the beginning of the video, I did do a walk around without the spoiler. So now that I have it on, I'm just gonna do a quick walk around with the carbon fiber spoiler. And I'm just gonna do a quick walk around of me just standing a little bit more back. Really hope you guys enjoyed the whole video of me installing the carbon fiber spoiler. This looks really clean. I think this is a really nice subtle look to the Lexus especially. It does have a slight duck lip to it. So overall, it's a really clean spoiler. I like it. Really aggressive, makes the car look a lot more better in terms of the rear. But thanks for watching, guys. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.